Hi guys, this is Adi from Nolcar Outdoor. Today I'm going to change engine oil on Nissan Pathfinder. This is Nissan Pathfinder 2016. This is the oil that I'm going to use, and this is the filter here. So let's get started. Don't forget the brake. Turn the engine on for a while. And make sure you turn this to the right. We're going to replace the filter. Turn it off again. You need to open the right. Let's go back here on the front, bottom here, so you can move this to the left a little bit, and this is the stick here. Put it here. Right, so this is the engine oil. We open this, and this is passenger side. So on the passenger side, the bottom here under this is the plug that we need to take it off here. Here, it's down here, just down here. I'm going to need 14mm wrench. So I have the bucket here for the oil, the wrench. This to open the fuel filter, and this one is for the ring. So I always use the Dorman here for all the Nissan I have. Alright, I want to open this. Yes. So easy with one hand. There you go. We got loose. So this is under the passenger side. On the back here, this is the plug that you want to take it off. So this is the wrench. There you go. I got loose. Remember, don't forget your glove here. Wearing the glove. Turn it. There you go. Let it drive. So while waiting until the oil all come out, open this to make the oil flow faster. So if you never change oil before on your Pathfinder, this is a sticker just under the hood. This is under the hood. This is the emission control information about your cat and everything here, and also has the oil type. This is your oil type, SAE 0W20. This is what they recommended to use. So this is what I'm using right now. They have a lot of sticker for your CVT fluid, AC. So yeah, you should find the information down here. This is the plug. This is the old ring, and this is the new ring. The one I got it from Dorman here. And this is the path number, the part number if you want to buy it. Alright, I'm waiting until the oil stop dripping. Look like it's just drip a little bit. And this is on the passenger side again. I want to change the oil filter, so I need to take this off to access it. I can do it from the bottom, but it's easy to take this off. So I have this tool here. This tool is really good when I open this clip, So all of this clip is open easily with this tool. So you just need to wiggle it, slide it, then take it off. So easy without breaking up the clips here. So there's another one. This is two clips there and here. Do the same thing, but it's hard to see. It's kind of dark. Okay, slide it. It's off there. So that's it. So I get these two off. So this one, the filter is just right behind this. If I pull this, I can show it to you. That's the filter. So it's easy to access from here. The oil drip from here. You need to pull your bucket a little bit so they can drop. The oil will drop right on the bucket. Before I put the new filter, I'm going to put a little bit oil here so it will not too dry. This is the new filter. Right. So the new filter already in place. Wipe it. Set. Move this bucket aside. Now use the wrench to tighten it. Okay, done. So I always wrap around this the plug here with a towel or clothes or fabric or anything. So I just want to make sure if it's dropped, it will not drop to the engine and make a smell. Now I already wrap it around this. Just put it here. I'm ready to put it. This one comes with 1 gallon, right? So this is 5 quart, 1.25 gallon. So 5 quart. This one is need actually 5.1 quart. So I will pour everything and then I will check it with the dipstick. If this is enough, I don't need to add it. If this is need some more a little bit, I still have extra from the one that I use from other cars. So let's put this the whole thing. You don't need to rush, just put it slowly, nicely, so it won't spill anywhere. Okay, done. Done. And let's check the dipstick. Work for a while. And for the dipstick is down here. That is a yellow stick there. This is the dipstick. So let's check it. And yeah, this is full already. So it's instead of this car need 5.1, but look like a 5 is already full. So I'm going to check it again later. I will warm up the engine and see, but so far it looks okay. I don't want to add more if they already on the top one. Now just tight this, make sure it's tight. So done. And again, thank you for watching. Please help me subscribe, and thanks again for your support to my video. Thanks guys. Hopefully there's a help of people who never changed this before or forget how to change this oil for your Nissan Pathfinder. Alright guys, thanks again. Bye now.